Bamboo basket, reflector, working brakes. Never forget your helmet, trusty Mipsy. I'm off to the morning market. 33 lemons, a healthy looking chicken, and a dozen of free range eggs. Thanks, keep the change. Whistling a tune, I'm home. What a perfect day. I hang my sheets out in the yard, load up my baking tray, thinking about your mother to recite her famous words. I need her salt and pepper to taste the happiness of life forever. Then the moon rose and cream lemon chicken roasted in the oven, and in blanket down my front door. Hey, who, what, why? You violated Act 617, but thoughts are on the road. We all know the real answer was you shouldn't have been born the way you were. And we're packed in a cargo choo-choo train, squeezing against the body similar to me, with tears rolling down our faces. We begin to say, never did anything from our souls, louder and louder. Never did anything from our souls, louder and louder. They shaved off my hair, fed me a foreign language, looking on the bright side. Yeah, I'm alive. I still remember all the people I love. So come at me and do your worst. All this pain and suffer don't stand a chance against our iron hearts. As the morning came